Hello everyone and welcome to JoJo's Brick Time. The Friendship Treehouse set. I love this set. Here in Australia it retails for $130 and I managed to pick it up for $95 in Kmart, so I was very lucky. It has so many features in this, like you get to do painting, beehiving, building little bird houses, and just having so much fun in this set. It is a 10-year anniversary set, but I'll get to that later. I love this set personally. And let's take a look what you get inside and how many packets come in here. I need to have a look. I've got everything out. Instructions, big sticker sheet set there, and we get 8 packets in this. So let's take a look at what packet 1 holds. I see a few bodies and some heads. Oh, this is going to be great. Alrighty, we're starting with Olivia, and she is wearing a beekeeper's outfit, and I love this with the little bee there and some honeycomb. Oh, this is looking good, and there's the beekeeper hat on her head, and she has some money in her basket because she sells the honey that she collects. This is her little wagon that she puts all her honey jars in. And this thing, it looks like an exercise bike, but you attach it here and she pushes it along and goes to sell her honey. Apparently they're collecting money for a charity. River is next. We've seen these legs before, and take a bow. He is showing off his new flannelette shirt, which we kind of like there. His face, we've seen this before, and his nice hair. I like it. I love the printing that they continued it to the back. And we get an extra head for him. So let's pop his head there, and look, he's got a scared, frightened face. He's like going, ugh. We'll pop a hammer in his hand. And no, don't hit your other head. We need that. I don't know if I should put his head on the vise. This is the carpentry setup. And look, it looks like a little vise. So they are building bird houses as well. I'm going to have so much fun with that extra head. Bunny house, nothing special there. And this is the stall where they sell all their honey. So they're apparently collecting for a charity. Jackson is helping the charity. Here comes Olivia again, and she's going to sell. No, she's gone off to get the beehive. Look how gorgeous this is. We've seen this printed tile with the little minifig, but I love that we get a little bee house there, and River's not liking the bees. All right, bag number 2. Lots of tree elements because we will be starting the base of the tree. Here's the bathroom, and you get a ramp to go in there, and we have a leaky section in the tree. I think we've got to check the plumbing there. There's the little toilet, but we don't have a hand wash sink. Okay, we've got to wash our hands in the puddle there in the tree. So I love the start of this. It looks awesome. And look at these cute little mushrooms. There's the new butterfly element, and I'm a bit upset that wasn't printed, the tree stump, but you know, it's all right. So bag 3, and what? Oh, I've got heads. So I think Mia and the new character Jackson's in here. Let's take a look at Mia. She's got some cute little overalls, and this is her second head that you receive. And she's got like a little grin there. It's so cute. So she's kind of like half smiling, I guess. Let's pop her original head on. So this is what she looks like normally. I like that we get 2 heads for you. Let's give you a paint roller because you will be doing some painting. Let's pop you over here. Jackson's next, and he's got some jeans on, some red shoes, and an awesome bomber jacket. And look, he's matchy-matchy with that. I love it. He's got beautiful green eyes there, and I love that black hairstyle. It's very in at the moment. We'll give you a paint roll. Okay, let's pop this paint roller back in. Come on, hold on to the paint roller because you will be helping Mia. So Jackson actually has this wheelchair and he'll need it now after I knocked him over. Come on, let's get you in here. I love that you had to build the wheelchair and I love the orange colour, and he's showing off now and he's gone away. Okie dokie, so this is the start of the tree house. Love the colours that they've used, and the window here, so you get this little handle here and you pop it in the little clip and you tilt it on an angle. So it looks like someone like me built it because I have no idea how to use a hammer properly. Anyway, turn around. We've got some little paints up the top, bits of timber that's been put on angles because someone doesn't know how to nail. And that's where you pop the wheelchair. Yes, Jackson, he's waiting to go to the top. We will be building an elevator here at the back soon. But at the moment, bag 4, we're going to be building more of the actual house of the tree house. So here's what you get. So this is like the second level of the tree house. And we get a little bed up here. So it's like a little bunk bed. And with these gorgeous bee quilt cover set, and pop that back in there. I love the tree here, and we get lots of bird houses. Don't get me started about this QR code. I thought it was going to be something magical. It leads you to the LEGO Friends website to have a look at the other products. Here is the little railing which converts into a ladder. I love that idea. I wasn't sure what I was building there, but yeah, little ladder. Now, Ninjago, I got a gold minifig. That's what I kind of expected for this tree house. I got a gold Ron Weasley with my Harry Potter set. Because this is a 10-year celebration, I got, a normal Mia. And why didn't we get 5 of the girls? And why aren't they gold mini dolls? I want some gold mini dolls, people. Oh, anyway, I love this set, don't get me wrong. I just had to get that off my chest. Okay, we will be building more of the tree. And I really like all the different textures and colours they have used in this set. It really does look like a beautiful tree, and there's lots of little hidden parts like this. This is where the elevator will be going in, and I was just showing you some more stickers there at the top for decoration. I'm still not happy I'm not seeing a basin or a sink for my hands, especially in today's world. We need hygiene, people. The front of this set's looking good already. Alright, bag 6. And it looks like we get lots of green leaves and some chains and lots of green leaves again and a ladybug. And this element, I don't have one of these yet, so I'm excited about a new tree element. And there's a ladybug again, and I'm looking for that cute little bee. We've seen this in the Winnie the Pooh set, so I'm happy getting one of those. And sorry, I just had to put the bird in the egg or the nest because it's so cute. Okay, front of the tree, we get the tree swing, lots of foliage. I love that the tree actually looks like a proper tree with all the branches sticking out. And there's another additional room here at the top. So it's like a 3-story tree house. And oh, here's Jackson. He's doing some skids with some stunts, I guess, on his wheelchair. And he wants to take a swing on this swing. Look at that. It actually is swinging from side to side a bit. There we go. Look at him. And he's still going. I'm getting tired watching him. Alright, bag 7. And lots of Technic pieces in here because it will be the start of the elevator. So the elevator's going in here, and I've still got that plumbing issue to fix. This is the little ramp and stand where the wheelchair will be on, and there's lots of Technic bars and pieces used in this, which I thought was quite interesting. And this is the spine of the elevator. It's going inside the tree, so we're going to pop that on there. And that goes up and down, so Jackson can go and play in the tree house also. What a great idea. I liked that. So now I just have to secure the posts there, and I've finished that. We've got a little bit of string here. There's the wind turbine, and you've got a little lever here that you spin round and round. That looks like a piece of pasta there. So you spin it round, and it's supposed to pull the little ramp up for the elevator. I'll show you how that works. So it would help if I spun it around the right way. There we go. So it takes a little while to do. But anyway, we've got bag 8, the last bag, and I see finishing touches, yummy pizza, another tree element. Let's put it all together. Here's Olivia looking through the telescope. That was quite a good build. I actually liked that. More tree bits, and we've got the roof that you can open up so you can see the starry night. And take it around here. We've got this little ladder that I just broke. I've got to pop that back on there. Okay, let's do the little kitchen here. We've got a little cake there, little oven, nothing fancy about the oven. But I'm excited about this cupcake holder. Look at this, it's got a little stud on top. So this is the old one that we had. So I've seen that they use that as a little lampshade as well. So it's not just a cupcake, but for this build, it's a cupcake. So we're gonna pop it in the oven. I like that, I want more of those. Little stereo here, which is going at the back. And oh, that's it for this level. Let's go up. We got a white guitar. I don't remember LEGO Friends having a white guitar. They've always had the tan ones, but we've got well, this was a sun lounge in one of the old swimming pool sets. They've used it as a bed here. And these mats remind me of Austin Powers. They look so psychedelic. Yeah, baby. All right, sorry I had to say that. Let's pop them here. Got a little bee mat, which is just too cute. We're popping a mug here on the floor. And what else? We've got a little computer there of Heart Lake City and some books there. I don't know why the back of the sticker wasn't tan. They made it white. Doesn't make sense. Anyway, and the pizza box, which is like from the Home Alone house. Level 3, we've got a little lamp there and a stickered bed sheet, and I'll just try and squeeze it in there. And there is another bed here with a blue bed sheet. I don't know why we didn't get 5 beds for the 5 girls. And just a little table here with a mobile and another mug. There, it's all done. River likes the new woodworking station that we have, and so does his other head. Olivia is playing with the bees there, and she's trying to get more honey to sell. And this is what the house looks like. Like, I love the colours. It's so beautiful, so much detail inside. Jackson's still showing off on his wheelchair, and oh, Andrea, Emma and Stephanie have decided to join us, but sorry girls, you were not included in this set, so you got to scuttle off. Off you go then. The LEGO Friends Friendship Treehouse 10-year anniversary set. I absolutely love this set. I love how it's built, how it looks. The level of detail inside is great. They've missed my sink, which I'm not happy about. That's okay. All right. This should not have been the 10-year anniversary set. I'm upset about that, but I don't want to take away from how awesome this set is. So if you really wanted to get it, do get it. 10-year logo, why is Savannah in it? Like, why aren't the 5 girls there? And Lego, where is my gold mini doll?